What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to use chord track to figure out the name of the chord that you're playing. For example, if you don't know music theory and you played some chords on your keyboard and you want to know what chord is that, you can use this technique to figure out the chords. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you're gonna go and open a chord track. Okay, you have this chord track here. Press Alt and click. Okay, let me make it bigger. So get this X box, right? Just double click on this X box and you get this dialog box. Okay, this is very important. And make sure this MIDI input is turned on. If you don't have this MIDI input turned on, this function will not work. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the MIDI track so that I can hear the piano sound. Okay, and I'm gonna play a chord right now, right? And I don't know what is the name of this chord. Okay, I'm just gonna simply play something. Okay, now I just played F sus2. Okay, let's try another chord. Let's go with this. Now I got two chords that I don't know the name earlier, but I know it now. Okay, so this is a very useful tool that you can use to figure out the name of the chords that you're playing. Of course, you can also use these in the key editor. For example, you can go here and then you can just draw in the note manually, right? Like F, G, and C. You can select all and go to chord editing, and now it shows F sus2. Okay, you can do that, but it's gonna take a long time. So why don't you use chord track instead? Alright, so that's it for today, guys. If you guys find value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, and smash the like button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.